We'll guide you through how to create templates in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your ClickUp workspace on your desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the space or folder where you want to create a template. Click on the plus icon to start a new task or document, depending on what kind of template you want. Create your task or document with all the details you need, such as descriptions, checklists, and attachments. Once you've set everything up, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your task or document. From the drop-down menu, select Save as Template. A window will pop up where you can give your template a name and decide if you want it to be private or shared with your team. You can also choose to save certain elements like assignees or due dates. After setting your preferences, click Save Template. Now, whenever you need to use this template, you can easily access it by clicking the Templates button in the sidebar and selecting it from your saved templates. This is a great way to save time on repetitive tasks and ensure consistency across your projects. Remember, templates can be customized and updated anytime, so don't hesitate to refine them as your needs evolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.